Hey everyone, if you've been trying out Cursor AI and run into the dreaded too many free trial accounts used on this machine error, you're not alone. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy fix to get back to using the application without any issues. Let's dive in. First of all, understand the issue. Let's understand why this happens. Cursor AI uses a system to limit the number of free trial accounts on a single machine. So if you've signed up for multiple trials or if someone else has, you might encounter this error message. And next, start by clearing the application's data or the browser cookies and cache. So I'm gonna go back to my screen and then go ahead to my settings. In my case, I'm using web browser, right? And then what I'm gonna do is scroll a little bit down, click apps, and then go ahead and type Safari or whatever browser that you use, and then scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna clear history and website data. So you're gonna clear all history and select all profiles, and then close all tabs if you want to close all tabs, and then clear history and double click to confirm that you want to clear that history. Next, what you're gonna do, use a new email. Sometimes the issue can be simple as using a new email. If you've already used one email for multiple trials, try creating a new email by clicking the three bars at the top left, and then try to sign in with your account. Of course, I don't have an account, but if you do, just go ahead and try to sign in with your account. I'm going to continue using my Google, right? And this will give you a fresh start without hitting the trial limit. Okay. Next, what you're gonna do, if the issue persists, try signing up from different network connection. Sometimes the machine's unique identifiers can be causing that issue, right? So make sure that you choose a different network in order to switch that up, or you can go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings and then go back, right? And then what you're gonna do, go ahead to general, scroll a little bit down, and use the VPN and device management, and make sure if you have a VPN, make sure that you turn that on, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, contact support. What you're gonna do, go and contact support Cursor AI, right? If none of these problems if none of these fixes work, the last option is to use the email of cursor.ai. Okay, I'm gonna use this email, and then go ahead and use your email app. In my case, I'm using the Apple email, and then paste the email, and then just type the subject. Okay, important, and then type in your subject. Okay, they might be able to reset your account or provide an alternative solution, and that's how you can fix the too many free trials account used on this machine error. If you found this helpful, if this helped, do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your experience. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.